Home plug AV2 standard, high-speed data transfer rates of up to 1000 megabits per second. Supporting all your online needs, Gigabit Port provides secure wired networks for desktops, smart TVs or games consoles. Plug and Play allows setup of your Powerline network in minutes, so you can enjoy fast wired connections right away. Patented power-saving mode automatically reduces power consumption by up to 85%. No new wires and no configuration required. Compatible with all TP-Link AV2000, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, AV500 and AV200 PowerPoint adapters. Electrical wiring to extend your internet access to any room in your house. Home plug AV2 technology supports gigabit speeds through your electrical outlets for improved coverage. Extremely fast speeds up to 1200 megabits per second. Perfect for connecting smart TVs, streaming players,
Desktop
and
laptop
game
computer.
consoles. Ideal for 4K HD streaming and lag-free gaming. Connect multiple adapters to expand your wired network coverage. Multiple data streams. MIMO, with beamforming technology to offer improved coverage by directing the signal where you need it. Encrypts Powerline network connections with the touch of a button, keeping your network secure. Plug and Play setup in minutes. No need to configure or install software. Input power, 100 volts, approximately 240 volts, 50/60ths of a hertz. Network TrendNet's Powerline 1300 AV2 adapter kit TPL422E2K comes with 2 Powerline adapters to create a high-speed Powerline 1300 network using your home's existing electrical system. Use up to 8 adapters on a single Powerline network. High-speed Powerline 1300. Powerline 1300 technology and a gigabit port deliver fast and stable networking to seamlessly connect computers, smart TVs, or other network-enabled devices and stream 4K video. Simple installation, no configuration needed. Simply plug in TrendNet Powerline adapters, and they will auto-connect out of the box. MIMO technology, multiple input, multiple output. MIMO Powerline with beamforming technology uses live, neutral, and ground wires to increase performance between adapters. An adapter provides up to 2000 megabits per second Ethernet over power. Ideal to be Ethernet extender who can easily go over the walls as network adapters. Support home plug AV2. Easy to add multiple adapters and works under 110,240 V. The best powering. The best Powerline networking kit. The wire cutter gigabit port give you full speed of your internet transmission speeds. Ethernet 10, 101,000ths of a megabit per second. Range 300 meters. In-house power-saving mode automatically reduces power consumption by up to 85%. Plug and Play. No new wires and no configuration required. Compatible with all AV2000, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, off data encryption by 128-bit AES to make the network safe and private. Industry-leading support kit includes everything you need in order to turn your electrical outlets into an ultra-fast network. Expand your internet anywhere in the home with up to 16 devices in one network. Optimized for online video streaming and gaming, enhance your network performance for streaming and gaming. Reduces lag and dropped frames using LDPC, FEC, forward error correction technology. Works in apartments and office buildings designed for high-density environments, e.g. apartments, business offices, condos, hotels, etc., using NDIM signal segregation technology.